Gang, it's your boy Unstoppable Robert. We back at it with another video. But it's not a reaction video. It's kind of like a challenge that I'm going to be doing for your entertainment. So let's get into the video. You already know by the title. Smoking a Takis. Look at all this, look at this good light. If you're watching the screenshot this. Okay. Well, this is the introduction. I'm going to be smoking a Takis. Takis right here. Kind of like Takis, you know. Let me get that good thumbnail. Okay. I might use that thumbnail. I might use something else. Let's get to it too. And kids, make sure you don't play with fire. I'm not telling you to do this challenge. I'm just doing it though. You know, for your entertainment. You know, trying to get them views. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like and comment. Let's get it. Talk you guys again. That might be the thumbnail. You get the light. You stay right there. You stay. Yep. The lighter right here. Oh, look. Y'all saw that? Let me open it.
Have y'all tried these? Boys, hot.
That's good. I don't know if this is gonna work. It might work, or it might not work. But let's cut to another thing. You got one? You should have licked your screen. Okay. Let me turn it down a little bit though. Let me eat this first. Might need to get another one. Just seems like I'm doing a mukbang. This is Taki. Nothing else. I don't do this on the regular. Y'all saw that? Shut up. It works. Oh, it works. But it works though. God damn it, eat this out. I ate the burnt part. But it works though. Let's try another one. God. It went in my lungs. But it's alright. It's for Unstoppable Gang Entertainment. But I'm gonna put this down for you. Now, if you want this, comment down below. I'm just saying. But that was it. That was the smoking Taki challenge. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Armon&Trey. Do my challenge and tag me in Armon&Trey. And I'm the Kid Rod. Make sure y'all do my challenge right now. And I'm out. Peace.